are at my workshop at Hardware on the Square, building my chicken tractor. It's 4 foot by 8 foot. It's gonna have 6 egg boxes along that back wall. There's gonna be a door on the front, wheels on the side. It'll be 2 foot tall with a flat roof, and I can move it around. It's quite a bit bigger than Justin Rhoades' version of this thing, and I know that. I like the fact that we can all do things our individual way, things that fit our very own farms. Just working on it step by step at the store, have a minute between customers. So I can't wait to see what it looks like when it's finished. I'll see you in a minute when we get a wall up or something. Well, here we are back at the hardware store, working on my chicken tractor. My egg laying box. There's the nesting box. We'll be able to slide it in the side, just like that. It's gonna have a shelf to sit on. We'll come here, pull it out, check your eggs. Pick some kind of door on the back of this. That's how much I've got done so far. Now I need to build the ends. This is going to be a solid end, and that end down there is going to be the door where they come in and out. Okay, I got the egg boxes installed. Pull them out, check the eggs. I cut a hole for the chickens to get them. I'll put hay in the bottom. I have 6 boxes. And I have the end all framed up for the door that'll let down. I just gotta put the end on it. Put the ends on both ends. Got these roosts all the way down. I'm gonna put roost on the floor like that, all the way down. Coming along nice. Well, here we are at Cackleberry Farm on a rainy morning, and I have finally finished my chicken tractor. They spent a night in here. They're all nice and warm and dry. It's easy. It's not hard to move at all. I would even say it's easy to move. You can grab that handle and pick it up with one hand. I got my nest boxes on this side. You can pull them out, check the eggs, push them back in. Everybody's wanting out though. I'm gonna leave them in here for a couple days in the in this same lot. Maybe they'll keep roosting in here. We'll just have to see. I might have to move them to a different pasture to get them to roost right. I'm just gonna have to practice a little while. Oh, well, there it is. Oh, I'll show you my door here while I let them out. Hey, baby. Hey, peeps. There's old Peeps. My American Bresse hen. And there's the big rooster. White leghorn rooster. They're all ready to come out, though. Let's see them come out. I hope they lay in that same spot. We'll see. Eventually they will. We'll get them trained. Let's see what happens.